Alright guys, I want you to look at this now. My local dealer finally got a 2020 990. They had one or two before, but they were pre-sold. And this one is available. I love the color scheme, so I thought it'd be a good candidate for a video. Now, Kenworth is saying this is a 280-inch wheelbase. But anyway, love the wheelbase on it. 3-axle disc brakes. Let me get you a shot of that. So you got the 3-axle disc brakes. Got the 4-airbag suspension, not the 8. Hall and fifth wheel. Air slide. That is a trying to see what the gallons was of that one. Let me tell you right there on the cap. So, got the nice sound system in it. Alright, so it has the Bridgestone 710 24.5 tires, low pro, chrome pogo stick, Goodyear steers, let's get this hood open and show you this big power plant. Show you another thing that drawed me. Look, it still has the wrap on the stainless there. Hadn't even taken the wrap off of it yet. It's a beautiful truck, man. I love this paint scheme. They call it a 3-color. Because you got this 3-color paint. Factory paint. That is paint, not a decal. Let's get the hood open here. Alright, so she's 565 horsepower. X15, 100th anniversary edition. 1850 torque. That's the big monster right there now. She'll get the job done. Isn't that a beauty? Look at that. Gorgeous. I love a Cummins. This is a beautiful truck. Let's take a look at the inside. There's your plug for your engine heater for all you Canadian guys or Northern Territory people. Not just Canadian, but where I'm from, we don't need block heaters. Man, this right here is what I'm excited about. Ooh, look at that. I love that blue stitching. I can already tell this is going to be a nice truck. Oh yeah, look at these seats, man. That is sharp. All LED lighting. Blue stitching in the steering wheel. Oh man, I can tell this right here is going to be, it's 18 speed. Oh yeah, it's got the good memory seats in it. My seat's going back up. Nav. Fully loaded truck. Let's get back in here and take a look at the sleeper. That's why I like the 990. Look, we can stand up from the seat and straighten. Now this is a 76-inch sleeper, double bunk. That bunk there comes down. Still got a little shelf up there, kind of like the old 990s. Swivel table, swivel. That sweet seat right there will swivel around, and this comes out, and you can make yourself a little office there. Do your paperwork. I guess that's a TV right there. Refrigerator. Hanging clothes, a shelf. It's a nice little mirror so you can see how ugly you are. Beautiful truck. Now I think this was that just a window? Yeah, I think it might open too. Emergency exit only. And there's just a window over here. I think they do open. So, not sure how. I don't know if it's just an emergency situation only. It's a nice truck, boys and girls. Nice truck. I do like it. Now let's crank it up. Does that say 9.3 miles? That means this was not the tow rig. So this thing is like about as new as you can get right here. Oh yeah, there's that big X15 come to life, man. Nice stinking truck. Got the premium sound system in it. Place for your CB there. Got the smart wheel. Automatic AC. Fifth wheel slide. Interaxle lock. There's a slide. That's the air dump. It's a nice loaded out truck. I like it. I love those seats. I really do. Carpet all the way through. Got all our lights going, man. Those things are bright. Nice cold air. This thing has 9.3 miles on it. Look at that. 9.3. So she was not the tow rig at all. Wow. Automatic air. Full gauges. Navigation. Touch screen. It's got it all, boys. It's got it all. Let's get out of there. Wow. Satellite radio, climate control, smart wheel. This is a nice ride. 18-speed transmission. This is a nice ride. I love those seats. Absolutely love these seats. All right, if you guys are interested in this truck, I'm gonna tell you what you do. 2020 990 with that beautiful X15, 565 horsepower, 1850 torque, 18-speed transmission, 336 rears, 280-inch wheelbase, 3 axle disc brakes. Give Chris Ratcliff a call. I'll leave his phone number in the description. You tell him Life is Good sent you, and he'll give you a good deal. This truck is listed at $164,250. You tell Chris I said give you the Life is Good discount, and he will work you a deal. They take trades, and they offer financing. And 9 miles, man. You could be the guy that puts the 10th mile on it. Now, how cool would that be? That would be fantastic. Okay, for those of you that don't know how to look in the description, or went across the screen too fast, you can call Chris Ratcliff, 423-827-7804. Again, it's 423-827-7804. And he can hook you up with this beautiful 2020 W990 X15 100th Anniversary Edition Cummins, 565 horsepower, 1850 torque, 18-speed, 336 rears, 280-inch wheelbase. Any more details you want to know, you just call Mr. Chris and tell him Life is Good. You want the Life is Good discount. That right there, ladies and gentlemen, is a beautiful truck. 76-inch sleeper, in case someone just asked. So she's a beauty, man. She's ready to go to work. Got 9 miles on it. Someone needs to put that old girl on the road and put her to work.
This is Ben Irick at the TNA truck stop in Brantford, Connecticut. When I'm not out flying my drone, I'm watching idiotic ramblings on Life is Good. Come on!